it's a tradition working to keep part of Western U.S. history alive.
As with any history, I think that it's important that the young people who are texting and emailing everybody and Twittering and all that understand how information was passed on in the very beginning.
The annual Pony Express Reride retraces the route riders took back in the 1860s. Stretching from St. Joseph, Missouri to Sacramento, California, riders complete the route as a relay over 10 days.
It takes a lot to get all those miles covered. It's about 2,000 miles, and out in Nevada they go over 7 mountain ranges, and that's big for them out there. And it's just a lot of volunteer effort.
Tuesday morning, the ride made its way through Marysville, Kansas, where National Pony Express Association President Melvis Anner swore in a new batch of riders. Several came out to watch the mochila exchange as letters to be delivered once in Sacramento were handed off from one rider to the next. Anner says it was exciting to see so many kids in the crowd and even some get sworn in amongst the group of riders.
Oh, it's great. It's great. And, we always encourage new members. They can join at age 14 if they have some miles in an area, then they can ride it.
The ride made its way into Nebraska early Tuesday afternoon, south of Beatrice and Fairbury. Riders will continue across the Cornhusker State until Thursday evening when they cross into Wyoming, west of Scotts Bluff.
It's just really exciting to know that we're keeping history alive. And, as you can see from the crowd here, that it generates interest in, our past and how we got to where we are.
Reporting from Marysville for NCN, I'm Alec Chisholm.